Good morning students. Class 6 Social Studies, the first empire, Mauryas. Now children, already in the earlier chapter you have studied about Magad, 4th century BC. Now this Magad was a kingdom which was under the leadership of the Mauryas. And since it was under the leadership of the Mauryas and the Mauryas were the very strong rulers, so it grew from kingdom into an empire. Now invasion of Alexander. Now this Alexander, he was a ruler from Greece and the time period is 356 to 323 BC. He was the world's greatest conquerors. Now why this is said so? Because his empire stretched from Macedonia in Greece to river Beas in Punjab. Now this Beas in Punjab, it is mentioned because there is a history that he had some war with the king Polar in Punjab, and this war was like it was for quite a long time and his soldiers were very tired. So when Alexander wanted to move further, because he has always heard about the India's wealth and he wanted to conquer India, and so when he wanted to move further to conquer more territories, his soldiers refused to do so. Why? Because they were very much exhausted because of this war in Punjab, and it was quite a long war and the soldiers were very much exhausted, and so they wanted to return back to Babylon. So ultimately Alexander, he decided to return back, and so he appointed Seleucus Nicator, one of his general, and gave him the charge of the conquered territories. So before returning back to Babylon, he appointed this general Seleucus Nicator and he gave him in charge of the conquered territories. But on his way back to Babylon, ultimately he died. That is in the 323 BC. Now Chandragupta Maurya. Now Nandas was a very strong dynasty at that time. Now the time period is 340 to 298 BC. Now this Chandragupta Maurya, he defeated the Nandas. Now it was not very easy to defeat the Nandas because the Nanda dynasty at that time was a very strong dynasty. He did so with the help of Chanakya, a wise Brahman Chanakya, also known as Kautilya. Now this Chanakya, he was a minister in the court of Dhammananda. This Dhammananda was the last ruler of the Nanda dynasty. Now there is a story that Chanakya had some rival with Dhammananda, and so he always wanted to take the revenge. And so that is why this Chanakya helped the Chandragupta Maurya, he helped Chandragupta Maurya to conquer the Nanda dynasty. Then what happened after defeating the Nandas? This Chandragupta Maurya slowly started conquering the states of Punjab, Malwa and Saurashtra. And they also conquered, they also captured Patliputra, the capital of Magad, in 321 BC. So this Maurya empire was extending and also defeated Seleucus Nicator. He was a general which was appointed by Alexander before returning back to Babylon to take the charge of the conquered territories. Now also conquered Kabul, Khandadar and Balochistan in Afghanistan. Now this Seleucus Nicator, in order to maintain peace and love, he gave his daughter married to Chandragupta Maurya. So one of the wife of Chandragupta Maurya, she was the daughter of Seleucus Nicator. And this Seleucus Nicator, he also sent one person, the Greek ambassador named Megasthenes, in the court of Chandragupta Maurya. Now this Megasthenes, he wrote a book named Indica. Now in this book Indica, it describes the account of the life of the Indians during the Mauryan Empire. Then also there is one book which was written in Sanskrit, Arthashastra, by Chanakya, also known as Kautilya. Now in this book, it describes about the political, economic and military governance of the Mauryan Empire. Now next we will move to Bindusara, who succeeded Chandragupta Maurya.